Hey everybody, Javian here, and today I'm going to be making a video on unboxing Mewtwo. So yeah, hi Juliana, you want to be in the video? Okay, so we're gonna unbox this, and then I'll do a toy review.
I'm his sister.
Yeah, everyone knows that.
If you think I'm his cousin, but I'm not.
Hard. Juliana, can you go get me some scissors or something?
Okay. Jeez, we're in an apartment.
So I'm dying. Kill this box. Juliana, I don't need it.
You need it?
Okay, so I've got Mewtwo here, but first I'm gonna show you the ones that
Oh,
you
we got
can
a
get.
golden egg. I want to see the Mewtwo.
So here's some that you can
I'm going
get.
to take the
The
Mewtwo.
Mewtwo's right there that I have. So yeah, let's unbox it.
Unbox it.
Ready, Juliana?
Yes.
Hold on, I actually need the scissors.
Okay.
It's very articulated, as you can see. Very articulated. I'm sorry about the bad camera. It's because my grandpa and my aunt and stuff are talking and stuff. So yeah, just waiting for I'm waiting for my sister to bring the scissors. Hurry up, Juliana. In the meanwhile, let's try to actually get this out if we can. Cause we need the scissors. There we go.
Unbox it.
Oh shoot, one of his legs fell off. Don't worry, guys.
Look, that's it.
Where else is it? Oh, it's okay. Whoa, look at this tail.
Wait, Judy, are you putting this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Do you know how they had to find the egg? Want to do that in this video?
Oh my god.
Whoa, look at this. So guys, look at this. I want to show you. You see this?
So you want to put the egg in the video
Cool.
Javian,
and do it?
that's what you smell? That's what you say. What smell this, right?
No, but guys, seriously, this tail is so big. Like, look how big this tail is. So he's very articulated. He's articulated in the head. You can move his head anywhere. In the arm, another arm, his leg, even his tail. You can move it.
Why is it so...
So yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new.
And try to find the egg in this video.
Yeah.
A flower egg. Yellow. I mean, not a flower egg, a chicken egg.
Yeah, trying to find the chicken egg in this video.
Yes.
Bye.